Today we're going to go over the signs of a failing CV axle, also commonly known as the half shaft. To begin with, the CV axle is responsible for delivering engine power smoothly to your wheels. It consists of inner and outer CV joints along with a protective CV boot. This design lets your wheels move properly while turning or driving over uneven surfaces. You can usually locate the CV axle just behind the wheels. Now, let's go through the common symptoms of a bad one. Symptom number 1. Clicking or popping noise. The inner CV joint allows the axle to bend and rotate so power keeps flowing to the wheels. As time passes, the rubber boot covering the joint may wear out or crack, leading to damage. A worn CV joint often produces a clicking or popping noise, especially while turning. You can often identify which side is faulty based on where the sound comes from. For example, if you hear clicking while turning left, but not right, the issue is likely with the CV axle on the left side. This usually indicates a worn outer CV joint. Symptom number 2, clunking noise while driving and turning. If you notice a clunking sound when driving and turning at the same time, it may point to a problem with the CV joints. These joints help the axle flex and keep power delivery smooth during turns. When they become worn or damaged, you may hear clunking as internal parts move unevenly or rub together. In some cases, hard braking can also cause a clunking sound if the CV joints are worn, as added stress makes them shift or produce noise. Symptom number 3, vibration or knocking sound. When a CV joint goes bad, the axle can become compromised and lose its ability to absorb movement properly. This may result in vibrations or knocking sounds felt through the steering or vehicle frame while driving. Symptom number 4, leaking CV axle boot. You might notice grease splattered on the inner side of the tires, suspension components, or even on the ground. This occurs when the boot is damaged, allowing dirt, water, and debris to enter and affect performance. If a small leak is caught early and there are no clicking noises during turns, you may only need to replace the boot and refill the grease, which is more cost-effective than replacing the entire axle. Symptom number 5, loss of power. A faulty axle can reduce the amount of power transferred from the transmission to the wheels. As a result, some engine power is lost within the CV axle instead of reaching the wheels. The level of power loss depends on how severe the damage is. And that covers the most common signs of a bad CV axle. If replacement is needed, expect to spend roughly between $300 and $500. Hope this video was useful, and if it helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping you. Thanks for watching.